Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Here we discuss about the project monitoring consumer opinions data clubbing using novel data mining approach, and discuss this project abstract, data flow diagram, and running procedures. Monitoring consumer opinion on data clubbing using a novel data mining approach. Abstract. Let's we discuss about abstract. In database marketing, data mining has been used extensively to find the optimal consumer target so as to maximize return on investment. In particular, using marketing campaign data models are typically developed to identify characteristics of customers who are most likely to respond. While these models are helpful in identifying the likely responder, they may be targeted customers who have decided to take the desirable action or not, regardless of whether they received the campaign contact. Based on many years of business experience, the system identified the appropriate business object and its associated mathematical objective function. The system point out the current approach is not directly designed to solve the appropriate business objective. When we then propose a new methodology to identify the customer whose decision will be positively influenced by the campaign. A novel data mining method, global devised a two-step analysis framework. Initially, exploratory analysis using a self-organizing mapping was performed to determine structure based on user opinions among the forum posts. The result were a complication of users cluster and their correlated opinion of the track. Data flow diagram. Let's we discuss about the data flow diagram. Start the program. Get the new opinion based on the track names. Track names based the get the opinions and collect that opinions and identify the total positives and negative opinions and separator. If the opinion is good and that number is binary, put the binary number 1 or set the binary number 1. If the opinion is negative, set the binary value is 0. Count the whole feedback in the item data set and calculate the number of the total number of the positive and the total number of the negative to the calculate the weight and calculate if the number of positive is greater than or less than. If number of positive is greater than the negative, set the good, and less than set that improve the quality or bad. If the based on the total threshold value, if the threshold value is based on the total number of opinions in the track, and then quality based the rank or proceed, that is that rank are based on the quality number of the positives and the number of the opinions are given the counts, and then quality based all based the ranks are provided and they display the most frequent opinions persons and most qualified tracks are displayed, and then graph based display the negative and positives based analyze the opinion of the tracks. It is helpful for the marketing and business world for improve the quality and analyze the which product is most customers are important. Let's we discuss about the running procedure. Click the F5 button and open the running window, executing window. And opinions are displayed. All members' opinions are given, and that opinions are displayed in the tree format, and new users are created. Enter the username and email ID and password and repassword and individual or organization if the opinions are provided by the organization members or individual members are separated, that all the opinions are entered in the enter and display in the deformatted in the opinions. Select the individuals and user to say upload the database and then display the feedback if they re-enter the password, and select the track names. Here we analyze the not only the Sitagliptin and all other related tracks, and if the bad mention the side effects, and then feedback provided, and then if the side effect to put the market points. Here weight are and then calculate the weight of the each opinion items, and then data set are displayed, and then all weights are here displayed. Calculated weight are displayed each data sets items, and then remove the opinions are binary numbers zeros and ones. It's based on the good and bad, and calculate the module's average opinions, which opinions is small, maximum and average. All our opinions are displayed, and tags names and brand names are displayed too, and then rank the brand based tracks, and then social groups and individuals are ranked based on the opinions counts, and then ranking procedures are based on the individual drugs names. We count the total opinions and positive opinions, and the total negative opinions as counted to the separately displayed the opinions, and each track name based, and ranking the user and brand and drug name based. The total data as items are ranked. User which user is based on the counting of the opinions, and brand is number of the positive opinions. Drug name is the number of positive opinions based on the ranking, and then display the graph. If the graph is used to compare the positive and negative opinions based each drug's name in this graph used to analyze the which drug is customer responded more. Thank you.